And all through, they never told me where they were taking me or why they were arresting me. Then they were insisting I write a statement, so I asked them about what. Nobody told me anything. So all through that time, I was feeling threatened. I have a heart condition. So I kept telling them, let me talk to my lawyer, let me talk to my son. They had my phone, they refused. And the only time they allowed me to talk to my son, they used their phone, but I realized they had not called my son when they said that a woman had picked up the phone. So I knew they were lying. Then they drove around town, and I ended up in, I think it's somewhere, it's called another building. I don't even remember. They took me in. I stayed there for a few minutes. Then they changed again. They took me to 3 different locations before I ended up being here. But my question was, I asked them, if I have done anything wrong, why don't you just tell me? I come to the police station, I write my statement, I'm seeking medical treatment. They refused. And they told me, utaenda, upende, usipende. Actually, I felt I was being abducted because that was my fear. That is what I felt. Because I do not know why I was arrested. To me, it's not arresting, to me, it's abduction. Because I had gone for treatment. So could they not wait for me to finish my treatment? They know where I stay because they told me, even we know your house, we know where you're staying. Could they not even reach out or call me because they had my numbers? Could they not reach out to me and tell me, we want to talk to you, come to our offices, instead of coming and manhandling me when I'm seeking medical treatment in a hospital? It is very unfair. It is very wrong. And me, I still insist, and I still say I just came to fight for the patients who have no voice. I am not a political leader. I am not looking for anything. I'm a nurse. And all those people who know me, I have always fought for patients' rights. That's all I want. Give the patients their rights. Let them get their proper treatment. Stop taking the money and you don't get the treatment, because that is what is happening. And I saw many patients, as our Honorable MP Maanzu has said. I met many patients. I had no even patients who kept telling me they are paying that SHA, they are paying treatment from their pockets. It is true. I even encountered some patients there. They told me they have a bill of 2 million and SHA only paid 2,000. What is that? Another one had a bill of 400,000, SHA paid 1,000. What is that? Me, it is not about me. I am sorry, it is not about me. It is about doing what is right to the patients and to the Kenyans. And even when I went to that office, I never addressed anybody. I just said, I am fighting for the Kenyans. Do what is right. We are asking questions. That is all.
Na walikukamata kabla hata hujapokea matibabu, hali yako ikoaje? Umelala hapa usiku yote?
Sorry?
Nauliza hali yako ikoaje kiafya sababu unapokea matibabu?
Mimi hata I took painkillers. Nimeletewa dawa na my brother. So basically I was supposed to go to theater. I don't even know whether they'll approve my SHA. I don't even know whether that hospital will accept me.
We shall support you.
I don't know if that hospital will, but I thank the hospital. They tried to intervene, and the police officers stormed in, and they told them we have to go. They stormed in the office. Actually, I was waiting for my lawyer to come. We were ready to come, but they stormed in and abducted me. That's what I'll say. I was abducted. No, hakuna kitu waliniambia. Hakuna kitu waliniambia. Waliniambia tutaenda, utaenda. Nauliza wapi, hawasemi.
They refuse to identify themselves.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. My name is